What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video of June Eyes, and remember, you are nice. Today I'm going to try to paint a little bit of nude art, just a small silhouette, gray background and a copper silhouette line. Simple as it is, but maybe it will be something very nice. Let's give it a try and let's go.
Young fawn.
Don't be mean, I was a chubby kid.
Okay, I finished it and I think it looks pretty good. It's the first time I've drawn a human body dash painted a human body, and I think it looks pretty good. So you guys, my daily advice for you today is just try something that you think like, yeah, I want to try that, or I want to do that, or I want to be able to do that. Just give it a try. If you don't try it, you don't know whether it's going to work or not. So if you're impressed by something or you have a dream or whatever, just give it a try in that direction. It doesn't necessarily mean try immediately the big step that makes it what it is. Just work through it by trying every tiny step and get to know the world that surrounds what you are interested in. If you're interested in building a plane, or if you're interested in flying a plane, maybe start small and start playing some flight simulator. Or if you're interested in hairdressing, start small, try doing your own hair, stuff like that. What you don't try, you don't know. Like for me, I do like art. Not every sort of art, not every style of art, but I do like art in some ways, and the stuff I'm making is stuff I like. I'm not going to start painting or drawing stuff that I don't like. So give it a try and take your practice in it. And get better at it. If it doesn't work, well, at least you have tried. But you start to get to know the world around it, and the more you do that, the more chance you have to actually become the person you want to be, or end up in the place you want to be, because you have taken those little steps. Give it a try, start small, don't immediately go for the big one, and yeah, that's my daily advice for you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.